Turbo is about to enter price discovery mode. Hear me out, that guys. Look at this. This thing is breaking a resistance. That was a resistance since the 27th of May 2024. And can Turbo right now be entering a massive price discovery mode in the near future? We're going to be having a look on what is Turbo exactly and what its market cap is, and if it could reach $1 billion soon. But if you guys do like these daily videos, of course, make sure you guys subscribe if you want to see more Turbo videos. And that's about it. So diving into CoinGecko, we could see right here that the market cap of Turbo is currently sitting at $623 million, a little bit shy from a $1 billion market cap. And we could see the 24-hour volume is sitting at $227 million with a fixed circling supply of 69 billion. Turbo is up 27% in the last 24 hours. Now, before getting into a quick analysis on Turbo and what my price prediction could be in the near future, I do want to have a look at what is Turbo real quick. So first of all, Turbo was originally just a meme coin made by AI for the people. So there wasn't really any backing to it, kind of like Shiba Inu, right? And now Turbo is turning this just a meme coin into something really special. So first of all, the contract is completely renounced. So you are literally have nothing to worry about. There's no taxes, fixed supply, crowdfunded launch, all tokens in circulation. Of course, so Turbo began as a bold experiment in cryptocurrency creation inspired by the power of AI. The project creator turned into GPT-4 with a simple challenge: create the next meme coin starting with a budget of $69. That is literally crazy. Imagine taking 69 bucks, of course it has to be 69, and turning it into literally a market cap of $625 million. That is literally mind-blowing. So having a look at the charts real quick, we could see right here that Turbo obviously is looking pretty good. And obviously, if you guys know and you are like me and you guys love the stochastic RSI, you probably would have known that this would have been an accumulation zone sitting right here. We know stochastic RSI, when we are overbought right here, that could have been a good sell point, and we know when we're oversold, that is a good buy point. But it's not always like this for meme coins, because you could see right here we were actually flat going straight when we were actually pumping. So you guys need to be careful, especially for you shorters out there, because there's a lot of people who are like, oh, Turbo's up 30%, let's short. But guess what? You get liquidated, a bunch of thousands of other traders who shorted Turbo gets liquidated, and this thing keeps on pumping even harder. So you guys need to be careful if you guys are essentially a a short trader, especially on Turbos. And another thing I want to have a look at, guys, is the EMA Ribbon. I mean, these EMA Ribbons have been so clean, and we know that every time we come back and touch these EMA Ribbons, that is a buy signal again. So right here, we came back and touched it, buy signal, pumped up, came back, corrected, boom, buy signal, boom, came back, touched it twice. Okay, so we made a nice little double bottom right here. That was the first bottom, second bottom, boom, exploded. And both of these double bottom were actually in fact on these EMA ribbons. So these EMA ribbons have been really clean. Let's have a look on and go on the shorter time frame. So first of all, on the daily time frame, we could see that Turbo is getting ready for maybe a small correction. I'm not saying we're going to see a big correction, but we could potentially see a small correction right here. If I take out my drawing tool, we could see that Turbo is actually looking into the overbought region. And we know every time we are overbought, we do see some sort of pullback. So we saw it right here when Turbo pretty much had a nice little bearish divergence, and pretty much we saw a nice little correction. And that's when the stochastic RSI came back down on the daily time frame. And then boom, like I said, guys, you know what happens when we're oversold? Time to buy. So if you actually would have bought Turbo right here, you actually would have been up a whipping 91%. If you guys want to support me, by the way, you could actually trade Turbo on CoinW. Feel free to do so. If you actually go all the way down, you guys can see that Turbo is actually listed on over 90 spot exchanges: Binance, KuCoin, Kraken, Uphold. I mean, you're looking at literally exchanges from left to right. And obviously CoinW is an exchange that I'm partnered up with. So if you guys are interested in signing up with CoinX and CoinW and pretty much trading Turbo, this is the exchange to do it. They have really high liquidity. Anyways, so that's that on the daily time frame. If we have a look on the shorter time frame, which would be the 4-hour time frame, you could see that Turbo obviously is looking very great. Overbought right here clearly, but like I said, guys, doesn't mean because we are overbought that could be a nice little short. It's very possible that we also consolidate and then the stochastic RSI pretty much go down. Look at that, we saw a nice little consolidation right here to the top, and guess what happened? Stochastic RSI went down. So I would really be careful right here for you shorters, because you guys can get liquidated and pretty much get wrecked. And you know, pretty much that's about it. If we have a look at the, you know, Heiken Ashi candles, you can see the Heiken Ashi candles really is good at identifying trends. And pretty much we haven't seen a red candle on the Heiken Ashi on the 4-hour candle. On the 4-hour time frame, we could see that pretty much everything is red, everything is green. Sorry, if you see that first red candle, that would probably be a good opportunity to short, depending on the oscillator, stock RSI, and etc. If we have a look on the daily time frame, obviously harder to tell, but we could see right here that on the daily time frame, guys, also you know, these Heiken Ashis are pretty much looking pretty darn good. We see every time we are green, we go up. When we're red, we go down. And you know, it's red and green for a good amount of time. So it's not like the regular candle, the Japanese candlestick, where you know, it's a little bit like zigzag and the trend, you don't really know where it's going to go. Here you have a clear trend, a clean trend, and you guys can see right here that, you know, it's pretty much green, it's going up. So this is actually a pretty good chart to trade on futures using Heiken Ashi candles. If you guys are interested, of course you could trade futures on CoinW as well, it's up to you. But pretty much that's about it, guys. So that is my quick video on Turbo. Very interesting crypto. I think we could reach $1 billion very, and pretty much that's about it. If you guys do like these videos, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like. I would really appreciate that, and I will see you guys